Okay, what we're making today is a metallic paint drawing. So instead of drawing with pencil, you are going to be drawing with the paint directly onto your paper. And what you're doing is you're creating a repetitive pattern over and over again, and you are filling all those spots in. So this is what a finished product could look like. You're going to decide your types of lines for yourself. Step one is to draw it out in pencil. So all you need is a good pencil, as always, with a point and an eraser. And then you are simply going to lightly draw out your types of line. Make sure to leave enough space in between your lines because paint is much thicker than the point of this pencil. You get to decide which types of lines you use, if they're more zigzaggy and sharp, or if they are more soft and spiraled. That is up to you. So you just continue going and fill up the entire page.